Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I'm so excited to do a little unboxing for you guys. This is my design team package from my Crafty Boutique, and this is from Louisa. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Louisa, for sending me another design team package. You guys, my package was mailed, what, 2 weeks ago, I think? Anyway, it got lost in the mail. I don't know if I have a new mailman, but for some reason, I've lost 2 packages now, and the address that they were delivering it to was my P.O. box. So as of now, I don't even want to use my P.O. box. I don't know until it's sorted out. But thank you so much, Louisa. I'm so sorry that the other package got lost. So she was kind enough to send me a kit. I think this is an actual, she said it's the complete kit. So I think if you order from her, this is the kit. So let me see if I can back out a little bit. Oh, no. So this is the exact kit that you would be getting. So I'm just now sharing it, and then I will create some projects for you guys or for my Crafty Boutique. And anyway, get her cute little sticker. So just to let you guys know, in case you've been following my channel and you know that I'm part of the design team for my Crafty Boutique, Louisa is no longer doing digitals. She is selling physical kits now, so she will print out her digitals for you and then, you know, give you a package like this if you decide to order from her. And I believe she is now selling these on Instagram, so not on her blog spot. So here it is right here. This is her information. So she's my Crafty Boutique on YouTube, and then on Instagram, my Crafty Boutique Co. So yeah. So if you want to, you know, purchase a kit, you would go to her Instagram shop. Okay. So hopefully that is clear. Oh my gosh, look at all these goodies, you guys. Oh my goodness, I'm kind of getting nervous now because she has so many things in here. Excuse all the wrinkling here, crinkling. Okay, so first of all, look at these beautiful flowers, and there's just different kinds of flowers. It looks like there's some like silk flowers and foam flowers. Oh, I probably can't even, I shouldn't take out all of it, but paper flowers, some fabric ones, just a beautiful array of flowers here, you guys. And some pom-poms, a couple of pom-poms it looks like right here. So that's part of the kit. And she sent some rosettes. So she made these, I'm sure, herself. So yes, very nice. She sent this gable box that I can decorate. Super fun. So I will be using that. This one is, let me see. It is a wrapping, like wrapping paper. The consistency is like wrapping paper. Isn't that pretty? So she probably chose this because it goes well with the Tea and Teddy. I believe that's what it's called. It's Tea with Teddy. I said Tea and Teddy. Tea with Teddy. It's very like vintage, shabby chic. Oh my gosh. More shabby, I think. Look at how pretty. How gorgeous is this? Oh my gosh. I have not worked with fabric in so long, you guys. It used to be that, you know, I used to create other projects that required a lot of, you know, lace and fabric, things like that. Look at this one. How pretty is this? Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? That's beautiful. So this nice wide lace here, really pretty. And then a doily. And then before I show you guys the paper, maybe I should have showed you the paper, you also get all of these accessories here. Wowzy. Okay, we have some sequins. Have to make sure I stay in frame. Look how pretty that is. There's butterflies. It's perfect for like a, you know, garden themed project, tea themed project. Oh, how cute. Look at these butterfly picks. Look how pretty these are. That is so, so pretty. I love the colors. And then a spoon. She has some bits and baubles here. There's a, you're gonna get a charm. Maybe I should open this because I am sharing the kit, which I'm sure she shared on her channel. I believe she did. So you know what you're getting. But look at all these little bits and pieces, and you get a bottle cap that's already has the, you know, the jump ring. It's actually a, what is this? A split ring. So this won't fall off if you use it. This is so nice. And then look at the little, oh, so nice. It's double-sided too. They're little teacups, die cuts. And then all of these. I don't know if all the kits, if the kits are exactly the same. I'm sure she said that on her channel, but look at all those pretties. Oh, I love the little teapot. And this is just gorgeous right here. Oh, and one more bead there. So there's that. Let me put this away because I don't want this to, oh my gosh, I don't want to lose anything. And then, oh my gosh, my goodness, girly, you sent so much. These are, oh my gosh, fun lace and ribbon. Wow, all kinds of ribbon. There is a velvety one, this fabric, some satin looking ribbon. This one looks like some kind of fabric. Look at this wide one here, a wide ribbon. And is that this wide shabby one right here, it is wired. And there's another one here. There's a sequins trim, some pom-pom trims, lace. Oh my gosh, a lot of goodies here. Some envelopes. And these are great if you're doing, what is it? Not traveler's notebooks, but junk journals. Yes. And the papers. So cute. Oh my gosh. Am I going to be able to show this? Let's see here. Okay. So there are the teddy bears, teacups, and teapots. Look how cute. And you can just fussy cut this. What's easier is if you fussy cut it and just put a little bit of a, maybe like a 1/16 of an inch border. That will work, right? So she has this all printed out, and you can check this out on her shop. Look at that. Beautiful. these are envelopes that you can create. So if you're doing, let's say, a mini album, you can definitely use them as pockets. And then these round cut aparts, you can definitely use it on your bottle cap. Isn't that nice? And then these are journaling cards. And there's a faint background you can see. How pretty. Oh my gosh, I haven't done a shabby chic project in a very long time. So I think I'm a little rusty. Some tags, but it's so pretty. And I love tea party themed stuff. Tea, anything that has to do with tea. Teacups and tea parties. Look at this. So this is the paper. This is an 8x8, I believe. So this is the paper. Look how gorgeous. And you might have seen this, you guys. This, I don't believe this is new. She's had this in the shop. Unless she added some new designs, but I've always wanted to get this one, but I never had a chance. So many papers to work with, so little time. Look at this one. Oh, this is gorgeous. I'm going to put it this way. Isn't that gorgeous? I hope my camera is, you know, picking this up nicely. Because it's really pretty, and it's all pastels. Look at this one. It has really fun purple hues. It doesn't look like my camera's picking it up as nicely. It's kind of coming out a little bit darker on screen, but that is her kit, you guys. Isn't that fun? Oh my gosh, everything's so beautiful. Just beautiful. So that is Tea with Teddy. I'll leave the information in the description box if you guys are interested in getting this kit. And again, you can purchase this on Instagram at my Crafty Boutique company. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.